right, these are your 4.4 notes. This is the second page. So yesterday we talked about and or inequalities. Today we're going to solve some and inequalities. Now, when we have an and equation, it's really, or inequality, I'm sorry, it's really two inequalities shoved together. So you have the answer to your first problem, which is going to be 0. And you have the answer to your second problem, which is going to be 8. All right? The problem is what they share right here in the middle. They both share an x. So I'm going to give them both an x. Now, this x and 8, it's in the same exact order as the x is less than or equal to 8. So I just straight up copy that down, and I have my first equation, inequality I'm going to graph. And then my second one, when I look at it, oops, sorry, I want that purple. It's backwards. In the problem, it says O is less than X, but when I wrote it, I wrote the X first. So I flipped it over, which means I can't just straight up copy that inequality sign and it be the same. I can't do that. I have to flip it. So now I have my two equations. I'm going to put an open circle on 0. I'm going to put a closed circle on the 8. And these are ands. Ands always run together like that. Let's do this next one. The first answer to my first problem is going to be a 2. The answer to my second problem is going to be a 9. Now, the problem is what they share in the middle. So they're both going to get that. So x plus 4 will go with the 2, and x plus 4 will go with the 9. Now, we need to put in our alligator mouths. So this one, it's copied down in the same exact order, so I make it less than. This one, the order is backwards or flipped over, so I'm going to flip it. Now we just solve it. To get that x alone, I'm going to subtract 2. So I get x is greater than or equal to 0. To get this one alone, I'm going to subtract 4, and I get x is less than 5. So, solid circle on 0, open circle on 5, connect the dots. Let's do this next one. The answer to my second problem will be 40, to my first problem. The answer to my second problem will be 56. They both share an 8K. So I'm going to give the 56 an 8K and the 40 an 8K. The 56 matches. 8K is less than 56. The 40 and the 8K have been flipped around, so I've got to flip my inequality. Now, I'm just going to solve these. Divide by 8. K is less than 5. And put an open circle on 5. Divide by 8. I'm sorry, K is greater than 5. K is less than 7. Open circle on 7. It's an and. We put them together. Let's look at number 13. The first problem, the answer is going to be -2. The second problem, the answer is going to be 1. What they share is n divided by 4. So everybody's going to get an n divided by 4. N divided by 4. The second problem, it looks exactly the same. I'm going to copy the inequality. This first problem is written backwards, so I have to flip my inequality. Now we just solve them. To get that n alone, I got to multiply both sides by 4. So n is going to be greater than or equal to -8. Put a solid circle on -8. Over here, same thing, multiply by 4. N is going to be less than 4. Open circle on 4. There and, so they go together like that. Let's do 14 and 15. So the answer to your first problem is going to be -27. The answer to your second problem is going to be 8. They share this whole mess in the middle. So they both are going to get 7x minus 13. 7x minus 13. The second problem is written in the same order, so I'm going to copy that less than. This first problem, though, it's been flipped around when we wrote it, so I need to flip my sign. Now I need to solve these. I'm going to add 13. 7x is greater than -14. Then I'm going to divide by 7. X is greater than -2. So I'm going to put an open circle on -2. When I solve this one, I do the exact same thing. So in the purple problem, I added, that's supposed to be a 13. I'm so sorry. 13, not 3. So in the first problem, I added 13, so we're going to do that. 7x is less than 21, and then I divided by 7. X is less than 3. Open circle on 3. Connect them because they're an and. All right, last one on this page. The answer to my first problem is going to be -24. The answer to my second problem is going to be -6. In the middle, they both share 2x minus 10. So both problems get that. 2x minus 10. 2x minus 10. All right. Now this one is exactly the same. So I'm going to copy that down, that less than. This one is written backwards, so I'm going to flip it over. All right, now we got to solve it. Add 10 to both sides. 2x is greater than or equal to -14. Divide by 2. X is greater than or equal to -7. We're going to do the exact same thing over here. We added 10 first. 2x is less than 4. Divide by 2. X is less than 2. Close circle on -7. Open circle on the 2. Connect them together. After you copy that down, flip over to the next page. We're going to do some practice. So all you're going to do is take the information provided right here and graph it. So first let's look. X is greater than 3. Open circle on 3. I didn't mean to do it with that. And then it's greater than, or X is less than or equal to 0. Close circle on 0, and it goes that way. Remember, when you have an or, they always go opposite ways. Number 2, it's one big ugly problem, which means it's an and. And ands always go together. So I'm going to look at this -2 and put a closed circle because it's less than or equal to. Closed circle. Now I'm going to look at this 3. It's also a closed circle. And I just told you they run together. So I want you to do number 3 and number 4 on your own. just draw them on the graph. Remember, the ands go together and the ors go apart. After you've completed that, look down here at 5 through 8. All right, if you don't have these line graphs drawn, pause this for a minute and draw the purple graphs like I did. I forgot to put that in before I copied your paper. So, we are going to look at the picture and we're going to write its inequality. So, I can look at number 5, and because it runs together, I know that it's going to be an and. I also know, because I paid attention yesterday, that ands are always, their inequalities are always going to look like that. So, when I look at this, the lowest number is a -3, and the highest number is a 3. I'm going to put an X in the middle. Okay, I told you their inequalities are always less than, equal to, or less than. These are both open circles, so they're less than. I want you to do number 6, and then I'm going to do number 7 for you. So when I have an or, this is an or, number 7, because they're going different ways, I have to write just 2 separate problems with the word or in between them. So So I'm going to write x is less than -2, because that's what that tells me. I'm going to look at this one. I'm going to say x is greater than or equal to 1. So that's what I do. The ands are shoved together. The ors have the word or in between them. So you do 6 and 8 for me. Thank you.